Now at Truck-n-Trailer is this 2006 GMC 24-foot box truck with diesel engine and automatic transmission. This 24-foot GMC is unit number 3083. It comes with a loading ramp and a non-skid bumper. Call Truck-n-Trailer today, 912-5800. This 7500 series box truck has heating and air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo, anti-lock brakes, and remember, financing and delivery is available. This is unit number 3083, a 2006 GMC with 24-foot cargo length, 92 inches of interior width, 85 inches of rear door height. Call Truck-n-Trailer today, 405-912-5800. For more information about the truck featured in this video, contact Truck-n-Trailer today. info@truck-in-trailer.com or call 405-912-5800. Also, make sure that you visit Sarge while at Truck-n-Trailer, just 10 minutes south of Oklahoma City. Truck-n-Trailer is Oklahoma City's premier service and repair facility for fastest turnaround time, best rates, and one-on-one personal service. Shop the largest pre-owned commercial truck inventory in the Midwest. We have a truck for every budget. Over 70 in stock, ready for delivery.